Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Today I want to do a quick video and make a decision for what colour theme I'm going to go with for my Buttonwood Manor. So it's all built and ready to be sanded and painted, but before I do that I need to decide on the theme. So I'm thinking I've got two ideas. I've got shabby chic, very soft colours, pinks, blues, pastel colours, and then the other one is very earthy tones, greens and browns, and very tree-like. So I've started making something this morning, but I can't paint it yet until I've decided on my theme. So we'll just jump down to the desk and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm making a little suitcase. It's so tiny, and that's the lid. So it's a little wee suitcase for Mousy, because he's going to be going on a holiday. He's going to go and visit Scooter and Skeeter, and he needs a suitcase. So I've started making that this morning. And that's just drying, and I need to paint it, but I need to decide what theme we're going to go with. So I thought I'd flip a coin and we will make the decision. So heads and tails. Heads is shabby chic, pinks, blues, pastels, etc. Tails is earthy, tree-like, greens and browns. So we are going to flip a coin. I hope I don't whack anything, but we'll see, and see what we come up with. Let the coin speak. So here we go. I'll do it there. We have heads. So heads is shabby chic. Okay, decision made. That's it. So I can now carry on with how I'm going to decorate my Buttonwood Manor, and I can carry on. So that's all today's video is. It's very short and just making a decision, and we can get creating. I have made, hang on, I'll show you. I've made, this is Lily. Her name's Lily, and I've made her a little skirt. She still needs her face and her whiskers, and I'm in the process of knitting her a little jumper. So she will have a jumper, and I would have put a little bit of trim around her skirt. So she's coming along nicely. She won't be going with Mousy to see Scooter and Skeeter. She can go next time. She's got work to do. So that's it from us today, and we will see you all again soon. Bye.